guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with a video that I don't do very often, and it is a affordable makeup tutorial. I actually got this guy on my birthday. This is the Revolution with SOPHX palette. This is the 24 Ultra Professional Makeup Pigment Palette. And this palette is so good. Look at all these pretty colors. I got this as a gift on my birthday, and when I got it I was like, yes, I have to do a video on this palette. And that's what I did today. I've been trying it out for a couple of days and I was like, I don't want to do a video if I don't like the palette, but honestly I have been loving it. It is such a good palette, and it's just so exciting that it is affordable. It's so affordable. You don't have to spend $50 on a makeup palette or on any makeup. So when I decided to do a video on this palette, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go in and do a whole video on affordable makeup. So affordable foundation, setting powder, blush, all that good stuff. So yeah, who doesn't like to save money? I sure do, kind of. But yeah, that is it for this intro. Without further ado, if you guys want to see this look, then just keep on watching. First, I'm going to go in with the Photo Focus Concealer from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to put a little bit of this on my lids. I'm going to go into this first shade right here, which is going to be this beige color. I'm going to go ahead and continue with my face, and then I'll go back to my eyes. So I'm going to go in with my foundation. This is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir, and I am in the shade Buff Beige. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and this is in the color Light Ivory. I'm going to use my ColourPop No Filter Translucent Setting Powder, and I know you can't find this at the drugstore, but it is only $9 on the ColourPop website, so I mean it's pretty affordable if you ask me. And with that same damp beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and press that into the areas where I applied concealer. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish off my eyes before I finish off my face. So for my under eye, I'm going to basically use the colors that I used on my crease for my lower lid. So I'm going to go in with this first color right here, and this is in the shade Cup of Tea. So now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild contouring palette in the Dulce de Leche, and I'm going to go in this white shade right here. Brush off my under eye, that way any fallout can get cleaned up, and it'll also brighten up my under eye a little more. Next, I'm going to go in with bronzer, and I apologize, I do not have any drugstore bronzer, so I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and this is in the color Medium Deep. And for blush, I'm going to be using my Milani Baked Blush, and this is in the color Berry Amore. For highlight, I'm going to go into this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the color Glow. Now for mascara, I'm going to be going in with the Essence Get Big Lashes Mascara, and it is this mascara right here. For my lips, I'm going to be using this combination right here. So this is the NYX lip liner in the color Nude Beige, and then I'm going to go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the color Athens. So yeah guys, that completes this tutorial. tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please let me know if you want to see any more drugstore / affordable makeup tutorials. I would love to do some for you. I do have a couple more Revolution palettes, and I can also do some more looks with this guy. I feel like it is super inexpensive and it's just so good. Like, this palette is so pigmented and it's really hard to find that in drugstore palettes. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if that's something you'd be interested. And I think that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.